Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making ginger coconut milk. For this beautiful drink we are making use of coconuts and ginger. For the ginger, I've already removed the skin of the ginger and it is also washed. And then I'm also going to be removing the back of the coconut and start up the process. So we're going to be breaking the coconut in order for us to get the real coconut flesh. This process does not really take much of your time. Break out the coconuts and then bring out the water. That is all you need to do, and you continue the breaking out. See, it is quickly done, but you also need to be very careful in doing this, what I'm just doing now. Just a little carefulness and it is well done. Because I'm going to be making use of juicer, so I'm going to be cutting it into the desirable size that I want, so that it can also be easy for me. I really do not want to remove the skin of the coconut, so I'm going to be making use of everything. All I need to do next is to wash the coconut thoroughly and start juicing out the milk. The first stage is already done, and we are about to start the second process, which is juicing out the water from the ginger and also extracting the milk from the coconut. You can as well use blender for this process. If you don't have juicer, you don't need to bother yourself. Blender can also do this process for you. Yeah, our mixed ginger and coconut milk is ready to be served. Feel free to drink this before you sleep. It will also help to reduce bloating stomach and makes you feel free while sleeping. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.